told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be cleaning, and of course I told you all that I'm digging some black and gold decor, which is really trendy right now. So I'm gonna show you how to decorate with black and gold without it looking depressing or overwhelming. And today's video is done in collaboration with Dream, which I'm gonna tell you guys more about in this video.
But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay happy? I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we?
Okay, so I'm starting off by making sure I dust everywhere, you know, guys. Like during summer, there is always a lot of dust and, you know, dirt in the air. And of course, they always settle like on the blinds, the mirrors, the lamps, everything. So I'm, you know, always dusting and cleaning. Even when sometimes people always be like, you guys be cleaning, you know, your house, but there is no dirt. Like you don't physically need to see maybe clothes thrown around or papers or, you know, trash all over the house for you to know the house is dirty. Sometimes just dust alone. So I always like to go ahead and just make sure I dust everywhere. You know, I love to go in with this my duster, dust the chairs everywhere, because yeah, like I said, there's always dust all over the place. And guys, I got a lot of questions. Like sometimes when I post my clean with me videos, people be like, how come you guys or maybe decor people on YouTube always have neutral like chair and maybe white or cream? And I always tell you guys that the easiest way to, especially if you like switching up your decor, you know, once in a while, it's always advised to go with maybe neutral colors, like cream, white, beige, because that way you can decorate like any color, or you can do pink accessories, you can do yellow, you can do black, you can do white, you can do any like kind of color once your base, you know, once your base is neutral. The base I mean is like your chair, maybe your rug, or you know, things around your house. As long as you keep them neutral, you'll notice it's going to be so much easier for you to go ahead and decorate. Okay, so to sweep, I'm using this D9 robot vacuum from Dream, which is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop machine. This is not my first time you guys have heard me talk about Dream, because I have the black robot vacuum already and it's amazing at doing your sweeping and mopping. You just need to set it and it does the job for you. Like you guys, there's nothing as enjoyable and as you know, relaxing as just putting your vacuum down and just leave it alone to clean your home, you know, to do things for you. And we have seriously been enjoying this device, and it has an advanced navigation and route planning, so it automatically knows where exactly to clean once you set it in the selected room. Also, it has an advanced app function, which I find really helpful to further direct the vacuum on areas to clean. You can download the app and personally direct it as I'm doing here. So you basically just, you know, if you feel like, oh, the vacuum is not getting everywhere you want it to, you can just, you know, kind of manually just probably lay in bed and just use your app, you know, the app on your phone to direct it on exactly where to go ahead and clean. You guys, the staying power of this machine is actually very high. Like once fully charged, it can last for 150 minutes, and also has a 3000 PS suction power. So you guys, you know how sometimes when you're using a vacuum it's not really picking anything, but this one right here, it has a lot of, you know, suction power, so that way it can pick up as much debris, as much dirt as possible. Definitely check my description box for discount code and other information regarding this machine. So am I the only one who is used to dusting and then sweeping and then going back to clean out? Like, I'm just so used to, first of all, dusting to get, like, to bring out all the dirt and all the dust, you know, in the home, and then I go ahead and vacuum, and then I go ahead and now use maybe my cleaning products to now, you know, clean out and make sure everything is sparkling clean. That's, you know, how I just love to clean my space. So of course, after we were done with vacuuming, I'm just going to go ahead and clean like my surfaces, my coffee table, my end table, my wine section, you know, all those kind of what is it called, all those tables, and you know, all those what's the right word to call these things, should I say, not appliances, like all the furniture, I guess that should be the right word. All the furniture, I love to go in. Of course, you guys know I'm obsessed with sprayware glass cleaner. I absolutely love sprayware, guys. You guys, like, if you watch my clean with me videos, you guys know this, like, sprayware is my go-to when it comes to cleaning products. You know, whenever I'm cleaning, I just love sprayware because they have a lot of things. They have the cleaner, the glass cleaner, they have granite cleaner, they have every cleaner you can think about, guys. Like, sprayware is where to go. And of course, I love my awesome spray. Awesome, I always use awesome spray. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk today. I always use awesome spray whenever I'm going for kind of something maybe that is dirty and I need it to be like sparkling clean, right? I go in with my awesome because it just, look at that wine, you know, like the bar section I cleaned is all pure white, all thanks to awesome. All right, you guys, like I said, I love to go ahead and just use my cleaning products to clean out everywhere. My TV, and of course for my TV screen, I like to use my sprayware because, you know, I'm using the sprayware glass cleaner, so it's always easier and it leaves my TV looking really nice and bright. You know, the TV is actually one place a lot of people always forget to clean when they are cleaning, so I always make sure I go ahead and, you know, wipe everywhere clean before then going ahead to decorate. Be on that way, trying to control our emotions. And as always, guys, please don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video, and also everything you can see in my home will be linked in my description box, so don't forget to check that out. This is actually my favorite part, guys, because I love the fact that, you know, I have the ability to switch up my decor anytime I want. So of course, I'm starting off with my wall art, and as you all can see, I went ahead and removed that kind of neutral wall art, and I went ahead and added that frame. The frame I think I got from Home Goods, and then on this section of the wall in my living room, I decided to hang these two wall art. I saw these at I think Home Goods too, and I absolutely loved them, so I decided to pick them up. And of course, for you to switch up your decor, guys, your throw pillow is always the easiest step to take. So I went ahead and switched out my throw pillows to a very nice velvet black throw pillow, and also I had one throw pillow that had kind of a mixture of black and gold. And of course, this one I decided to place this one. This is I think 12 by 20, the smaller size. So it kind of, I mixed and matched my throw pillows. So I have the black, the velvet plain blacks, and then also I had the throw pillows, the one with the black and the gold, and also I decided to add just one gold throw pillow. So basically I'm going around and just decorating my space with a mixture of gold and black. And on my console table I decided to add some decorative books and this decorative accent piece, and also I decided to add a gold flower vase. And this flower, this kind of reminds me of farmhouse, you know, decor. I decided to bring in some flower plants or some tree plants inside. And also on my end table I decided to add this decorative piece and also a black candle. Like I'm just putting some touches of black, you know, on some areas in my living room. And then for my coffee table I decided to add this Tom Ford decorative book. And of course you guys know I'm obsessed with ginger jars, so I decided to add some plants, some flowers, you know, inside my ginger jar. And this right here kind of tied the whole decor together, you know, adding these black plants on my coffee table. It just added that extra you know, to my coffee table. And of course guys, I went ahead and also added these 3 sets of glass cups. These are decorative cups. And then to finish up the coffee table I went ahead and added some I think Thompson Farrell candle. And of course also, like, you can't go wrong with a throw blanket, so I went ahead and added this black throw blanket. And look at this area of the living room guys, like just the touches of black and gold just kind of adds that glam. To be honest guys, I used to be so afraid of decorating my home with black because you guys know blacks can be really depressing, but just mixing in that black and gold, for some reason that gold just adds a lot of warmth, you know, to your space, and I absolutely love it.
Calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the nights I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same in.
Okay, so if you guys are still with me, while I was decorating, hubby came back and he suggested that I add this kind of black and gold lamp on this section right here. For some reason I was telling him I don't want the living room to be overly done, but he said it looked good, you know, with the black and gold lamp. So definitely let me know what you think in my description box. But yeah guys, I believe that is all there is to this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.
All day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night